Welcome back to Ctube. Today we are going to take a look at ENT concrete wall boxes, an essential part of electrical installation. These wall boxes are designed to be embedded directly into poor concrete walls, providing a safe and code-compliant space for switches, outlets, or other electrical devices. At Ctube, we offer both deep and shallow versions. The deep box allows for more wiring spaces, ideal for larger devices. The shallow version fixes tighter wall cavities where space is limited. Each box is concretized and equipped with threaded inserts for secure device mounting. They meet ETL standards, ensuring safety and durability in demanding environments. These boxes are purpose-built for ENT conduit with preformed ports. They connect directly without needing components, making installation faster and more efficient. Ctube also offers ENT concrete wall boxes with and without grounding features, giving you full flexibility for project compliance. Each box is made from high-impact, flame-retardant PVC. It's designed to withstand concrete pressures and UV exposures, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. That's all we share today. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.